Special tokens are a fundamental concept in the world of large language models. Special tokens are specific placeholders or markers that help the model perform various tasks and handle specific tasks or instructions within the text. They are like signposts or markers that help the model understand the structure and context of the input text and guide its behaviour in various tasks. This ensures the output of the tokenization is in a format that your model of choice will understand. Let's talk through some key types of special tokens and their purposes. The first are the CLS and SEP tags. The CLS tag is a classification tag, and SEP stands for separator. These special tokens are commonly used in tasks like text classification and sentence pair classification. In a typical scenario, you might have a sentence or text passage and you want the model to classify it into a category or determine its relationship with another sentence. The CLS token is usually placed at the beginning of the input, and the SEP token is used to separate different segments of text. The mask token is used in tasks related to masked language modelling or text generation with a blank to fill in. For example, you might provide a sentence with a word replaced by mask, and the model's task is to predict the missing word. This is commonly used in tasks like text completion. Depending on the specific task you want the model to perform, you may introduce custom special tokens. For instance, if you're using the model for translation, you might have a special token like source and target to indicate the source and target languages respectively. These tokens help guide the model's behaviour during the translation. When you feed multiple sentences of varying lengths into the model, you may need special tokens for padding, which is where we add extra tokens to make sure all the inputs are the same length. Or we might want to use truncation, which is where we shorten longer inputs to a specific length. These tokens ensure that the inputs are consistent and align with the model's architecture. Each model will have different requirements and uses when it comes to special tokens. That's why it's important that we specify which model we are going to use when we're working with a tokenizer, so it can ensure that it processes the text in the correct format for that model.